Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm back bringing you a recipe so simple and so good that you will never buy store-bought brand again. We are making homemade sweet cornbread, basically a Jiffy copycat. But when I say this is good, I mean this is good. So much so that I would say it's better than any store-bought brand that you can get in the store. Let's get into it. So we're going to start this recipe off by adding 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour to a large mixing bowl, along with a half a cup of yellow cornmeal. I prefer using the finely ground cornmeal because it just has a better texture in the end. Next, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Now, this is an optional thing. I add chia seeds for an extra boost of fiber to cut back on how fast the sugar gets into your blood system. However, that is totally optional. You can leave the chia seeds out and just do the first ingredients. So you're going to mix that well in the bowl, and then you're going to add either 1 cup of regular whole milk, or you can add a half a cup of coconut milk from the can and a half a cup of almond milk. And also you're going to need to add 1 egg. Now it's very important to add a little extra liquid when you're working with the chia seeds because they absorb so much. However, either way, you're going to add extra milk or water. You want the batter to be like cake batter. The extra water in it helps it to rise and makes it like a small cupcake. Now you're going to mix that thoroughly together, and then we're going to put that oven on 375 to get ready to bake. You'll want to stick your muffin pan or cast iron skillet into the oven for about 5 or 10 minutes just to get it heated up so that oil melts. You're going to add either some coconut oil or some kind of vegetable oil to each of the muffin pans, or if you're cooking it in a cast iron skillet or a regular pan, same deal. You're going to add coconut oil. And I know it seems like a lot, but I promise you it won't stick. And it'll taste lovely when you get finished with it. Help me grow my channel and bring you more great recipes by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. You can also check out my channel for more great recipes and DIYs. You'll want to fill your muffin cups about 3/4 full, just so it comes up and makes that cupcake kind of top to it. And this is the final product, y'all. This is good, y'all. It is really good, and there's absolutely no reason to buy a store-bought Jiffy mix or cornbread mix when it's so easy to make at home. Help me grow my channel by liking and subscribing. Thank you so much, and until next time.